Final lap na. Nalagas ni S-Boy, guys. Hala, S-Boy versus Imot Timbang. Hala versus Father of Laya. Kanunahan pa. Second set. Local enduro category, guys. Second set. Oh. Sino kaya itong shot, guys?
Ito na. Mag-abante na sila.
Oh.
Sige, abante. Abante kami ang matras.
Power, sir ni. Uy. Ivan Alamis. Ivan Alamis. Got the hose up, guys. Followed by Imot Timbang, second spot. Third spot, S-Boy. Imot Timbang. Imot Timbang followed by fifth spot. Oy, JD ba kaya?
Wala nakakuha.
JD ba kaya?
At dire-dire ka mag-gasa ng mga mag.
Ivan Alanis Gabon, guys. Fourth spot. Fifth spot, Clarence Morcelias. Second spot. Okay, Imot Timbang ng pauna, guys. Followed by S-Boy.
Akuling sa akin na ito.
Followed by S-Boy. Followed by Clark Maderable. Hoy, naulihin na. Fourth spot na sa Ivan Alamis, guys. Fourth spot, Clarence Morcelias. Iyay ka, nagpalyar na ang motor ni Imot Timbang. Yapon, guys, sa pauna. Followed by S-Boy. Followed by S-Boy. Followed by Maderable. Fourth spot, Clarence Morcelias. Fifth spot. Sabi ka ito. Imot Timbang yapon, guys. Grabe ka papanin mo to. Followed by S-Boy from South Cotabato. Followed by Maderable from South Cotabato yapon, guys. Followed by Clarence Morcelias. Followed by Ivan Alamis. Imot Timbang yapon, guys. S-Boy. Third spot, Maderable. Final lap na, final lap. Clarence Morcelias, fourth spot. Hala, final lap na. Nalagas ni S-Boy, guys. Hala, S-Boy versus Imot Timbang. Hala versus Maderable. Ay, kanunahan pa. Grabe, ay second spot pa sa ikot, guys. Naunahan pa siya ni S-Boy. Okay, finish.